it's really hot and I need a hat, so I thought let's try and get one of the traditional pointy hats.
Oh yeah, that's a good look.
Yeah?
Yeah. Do you want to look, see if you look in my sunglasses, you'll be able to see yourself?
I look cool. Hang on. Oh yeah.
I like it.
Okay, I didn't introduce you. So this is Leonie.
Hello.
She's from Ireland.
That's his Irish accent.
Is that bad?
Close enough.
Is that racist? So,
Depends if you use your whitening shower gel.
yeah. Oh my god. So in the in the hotel there's a shower gel, but it's a whitening shower gel for your skin, not for your teeth, for your skin, which is weird. So I'm gonna look like her. The problem with bikes is they don't have sat nav, so we got to do this.
Right. Us cycling to something called the Mua Caves, which is kind of like a dragon on top of a mountain that you have to climb. But we can't find the mountain we're meant to climb, so we're just cycling until we do. Good afternoon. Xin chào.
Okay, so we are approaching the Lion Dragons mountain. There's about 500 steps to the summit. We can see the sun is just about to set, so hopefully we'll make it in time.
The other side, not quite as pretty. This side though is wow.
Sup everybody, Vic and his cool hat are back. We are in Triang, so apparently over here is where they shot King Kong. You can go and see the film set. The film set for Skull Island is over here. You can check it out. There's loads of mountains, waterfalls, and it only costs you 200,000 dong, which is, I don't know, tenner?
£5.50?
£5.50. It's not bad. So we're just getting into our boat and let's see how it is. There we go.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest but I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down.
Okay, this is the Den Tao Tan Khao Sun Temple. I apologize if I offended anyone with my pronunciation. So we've been told to go in there, do a little prayer, and then go see King Kong.
Honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
Okay, we are... Oh, we're getting a photo with these ladies.
Bọn em 4 người này nhé. Chụp với mấy ông Tây. Đây.
There we are.
Thu lại.
With our new Vietnamese friends.
Thu lại đi.
Say I'm on my way. I am on my way.
These things are little tortoise.
So these were the first ever tortoises that ever came to Vietnam. It's a true story, why are you laughing? I speak the truth.
I'm sure.
I'm like a walking encyclopedia. Ask me anything. Go on, ask me anything.
How old is this tortoise?
2,000 years old. Boom! Ask me another thing.
When was Skull Island found?
1941. Boom! Got you again!
41. It's very new.
Yeah, I mean, 1841.
The gateway to King Kong world.
We are on Skull Island, looking for King Kong. Or Mr. Kong. Gotta speak to him with some respect, you know. Sir Kong? Mr. Kong?
Mr. Kong.
Dr. Kong? No. Okay, we are approaching the set of King Kong. You can see this is... What is this? It looks kind of plainish. Kind of boatish too. Maybe it was a plain boat. Okay, here we go. We are heading towards the plane. That's where King Kong used to get his ice cream from. True story.
That I believe.
Yeah, he'd be craving a Calippo. Okay. We are approaching some huts and there's some... Are they actors or do they like live here?
I don't know what the hell is going on here.
I'm sure I've seen the movie like twice, but this does not ring a bell. King Kong's the one with the big gorilla, right?
Yeah.
Booyah. Okay, let's get out of here.
I am on my way. I am on my way.
Okay, that was our experience of Ninh Binh. Hope you enjoyed that, and hopefully you get better weather when you go as well. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up, hit subscribe, and see you on the next one. Peace.
Yay.